To another episode of the Rookie Meme Hunter Show, where we're trying to turn $5 into 5K. Hey, what's up, Charter fam? Thanks for joining the show today. First off, I am not a financial advisor, just a lonely crypto bro who loves investing in different crypto projects. Do not invest in a crypto project that we may bring to the table, all right? Join our Telegram group, links in the description, where we find and share new crypto project info. Do not invest money you cannot afford to lose, because this is crypto, baby. You'll go broke. All right, man, it feels like I've been away for a month. I've only been away for about a day, and everything just changed up. That's the world of cryptocurrency, man. It just keeps coming, So before we try to pick out a play for the day, let's pull out the old bot. All right, let's see what's been going on. I've been trying to keep my eyes off of it, just hoping that everything start going good, because we're getting beat up in our little $5 to 5K challenge. We getting whooped, and we're probably up maybe about 50-60 bucks, but I gotta do better at keeping track and blah blah blah. So we're gonna get that all straightened out, but for right now we're just gonna pull up our positions. This is pretty much where we were at. Luckily, I never really got to putting any plays in that bag. I don't think. We're gonna have to double check that one too. But first one is the Pesci token. I kind of like the Pesci. I had good high hopes for that. We're down 84%. That puts me down $3.73. We have the PCP token, which was like some kind of a pup token or whatever. It was down. Let's see, PCP. We are down $2.44 today. It's down 87%. And let's see, I'm down $6.09 on G, and I'm up $1.39 on the Boca. I think this is the book of cat and pussycats or some crap like that. But I've been getting beat up. These three plays on the bottom, G, PCP. Pesci actually just recently went down and then ain't came back up yet. But I'm not really too sure about how long they'll stay in the bot, blah, blah, blah. But I think I'm about to hop out of these bottom three plays and just take that as L's. And, I'm going to stay with these. These book of all that memes has been hot lately. But anyways, that's the bot. All right, so let's go. Let's just check the search. Let's see what's going on. Dragon Ball G. Yeah. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and do it. Let's do it. Ain't nothing to it. Dragon Ball G. Let's see. 2.7K liquidity is locked. 8.7K on the volume. Fully diluted is 3K. Let's see. Market cap. Look at that market cap, bro. It's almost $4,000. That is crazy. Just imagine getting in here and then you end up with like $1 million market cap or something. Let's check the website. These down. So it's hand drawn. It's not really much to it. I don't really take too much into these websites because there's so many of them. You don't really know what's what these days. Let's see here. Not really much interaction. 2 minutes. Okay, so that's kind of crazy to me. This is on the 1 second chart. Let's go to the 1 minute chart. Let's go to the 5 minute chart. So it's already pulled up to about that. It pulled all the way up to about that 8,000 mark, and then it pulled all the way back down to about that 3,500 mark. So it's pretty low. This was gonna be a little interesting, but we're gonna go ahead and rock that. We're gonna leave that one there for a few minutes, see what else we can see. Right, let's check. This is gonna be the Orally token. Orally. Okay. Looks like they already got their NFTs slapped in the back. Orally, I'll be back. Hello, I'm the snow owl that started the Orally meme back in the early 2000s. Are you? pre-sale is filled. Rumor says he's going to the moon. A little bit of a story on it. Team is dedicated to maximizing the potential of the orderly meme token. Orderly tokenomics. Here's the tokenomics. This is what I'm talking about right here. Taxes 0. That's good. 0 buy and 0 sell. Mint and freeze revoked. Liquidity locked for about a year. Total supplies 100 mil. Okay, that's a good thing. 44% for pre-sale, 21% LP, 16% marketing, 10% for the team and advisors. Man, I feel it. You know what I mean? How to buy. Phantom. Get some soul in your Phantom wallet. Get it through Radium. Add it to your wallet. They have a roadmap going. They actually even have a white paper. So it kind of seems like they actually took a little bit of time on this token. Let's go ahead and check this. This is what we probably should start checking first. So we are at about 165K on the market cap. So, okay, red flag number 1, 62K, not locked. Okay, so I don't like that at all. Volume is 39K. Okay, so because that is not locked, I mean, just because the liquidity is not locked, that does not mean that you can't get no money off this play. But the thing is about that is like, it just puts more risk into the boat. It's all risky, you know, but you know, you kind of want to make sure the liquidity's locked, blah, 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 blah. You know what I mean? You kind of want to, you know, kind of touch your basis a little bit, make sure that, you know, certain T's are crossed and I's are dotted. That's how it goes. Let's go ahead and let's pull their token contract really quick, and let's go to yeah, I've been using so many different rug checkers. I'm like, oh wait a minute, almost messed up my screen here. Let's go here, pull up a new one. So you guys are wondering what that beeping is? That's actually my stove in there, okay? And that's way in the kitchen, so you know my stove is on one right now. So we put that in the flux spot. We're gonna go ahead and pop that in there. Put the token contract in there. Radium is 19%, and they had the holders or whatever. This wallet here is about 16%, almost 17%, and there's no liquidity locked. So that is very interesting to me. It's the Orly token. I think that we're gonna go and search for that safe, or at least the safe, a little bit safer play. All right. But then again, the degen in me just wants to hop in, but that liquidity is not locked. It could rug me tomorrow. I don't like that. So let's go into the search bar. Let's see what else just popped up. Perter Grifton or something like that. I know these tokens that where the names are misspelled and all that has been pretty hot lately. So they're pretty weird to me, but you know, it is what it is and it ain't what it ain't. So that's the 1 second chart. It's too much noise for me right there for right now. If you guys are wondering, like I said, everything's going crazy here. Look at that, all that. It had its initial run. Let's pull up that cap. Let's see. So it actually ran all the way to about 44K, and then it pulled all the way back down to about 20K. You know, I'm learning a lot about these meme coins, I'm telling you. And you know, the more that you're in this space, the more that you're studying what's going on, the better understanding you're gonna have of what is up out here on this playing field. And once you get to know certain aspects of the game, you eventually, if you keep at it, you might win. You might have a good chance of winning. Let's put it like that. See a lot of good buy orders coming in down there. We got a little bit of sell orders popping out, scaring everybody up. As I seen it tried to go green just now. Bulls tried to take over, but the bears came in and pulled it back down. I don't know what they're trying to do, or they're trying to do what the bears trying to do. They're trying to pull that price down, baby. Okay, let's pull up that website one more time real quick. Mr. Peter Griffin. Okay. Help Perter with his crypto, create a wallet, get some soul, Radium, Grifton, And I was actually taking a look on this one website called pump.fun. That one's a little crazy to me, but I wonder, what I'm tripping on is I think it's just then that website is just crazy, bro. Like it seems like you're getting everything like as soon as it pops out, like deck screener and all that. It's like I don't know if there's a step before deck screener or whatever, but whatever. But anyways, it's dropped all the way down to about 7K. We have about 4.7K on the locked side of life. It's locked. 56K volume. Like I said, it has a website. Twitter's probably not doing too much, nothing. Let's go ahead and pop back onto deck screen. I'm just looking, I'm not really too sure how we're going to play this. Let's go on the 24-hour. Actually, let's go before that. No, actually, we'll go after that just because I seen this here. Let's go ahead and pull that up really quick. Yeah, this is what we have, Boca. This is what we have in the bot right now. Since the chart is right in front of us, I want to go ahead and take a look. Let's reset the chart view. This is going to be the daily, okay? Let's look at the 5-minute chart. On the 5-minute chart, it looks like, looks like it's on its way down. Okay, look at down here. This is going, let's pull up the real chart here. Pull up the cap. All right, so it's about 5.6 million here, and there's a chance it could pull back to that 4.62 million mark down here, but we're not really too sure. It's been climbing though. It has. It had a nice, beautiful run here, and it's really been maintaining. I actually bought at a bad time. I don't really remember where it was, but one thing that I do know is as soon as I bought, maybe 15, 20, 30 minutes later, a couple hours later, whatever the case may be, I was down like 15 to 20%. That's why I'm only up like a pen, like a dollar and something. But you guys have to be careful before you make entries into these charts. You want to make sure that you are able to get in on this 1 second chart. Okay, see, sometimes things move very fast in crypto. You're looking at this chart is moving, your bot is tripping, you're trying to hurry up and handle your business. And sometimes you're looking at the 15-minute chart, you don't realize, and you're like, hey, cool, we're in a good spot, and you're getting in. Your entry point is beautiful. You think this is a nice entry point, whatever the case. Why you would think this is a nice entry point, I don't know, but just say you thought this was a nice entry point, and then you went and you checked the 1 second after you already purchased. You checked your entry point now, and you're like, oh man, wait a minute, you know what I mean? You're like, and then you see that red candle pop, boom. Next thing you know, you see about 4 more red candles come, boom, boom, boom. Now you look at your bot and you're down. So make sure you're checking that 1 second, and then you're checking that 1 minute chart, just so you can kind of get a good idea of what's going on. Like right now, okay, if you ask me, would I buy into this chart right now? I would say heck no. To me, all I see is a downtrend. That's all that I see. If you pop here, you can just do something like this, okay? You can see it's just slowly working its way down. You can get exacting standards, but it'll do nothing but just exact what we just showed you just now. Okay, it's gonna just go down. All right, so I would wait a little bit because it could be ranging and get ready to pull up again, but it has been running, but we don't really know. Right here, it looks like a couple of people, look at all these buy orders that just came in. They're fighting it right now. I wouldn't be surprised if I seen a bunch of sell orders come in and just start dropping it back down. Let's see if we can sit here for a minute. I know this video is going to be long. You make your videos too long. But explaining these charts, you really need to get out here. When you're looking at these cryptocurrencies, there's so many. Look, boom. Look, boom. I don't know if you guys seen that. Look, boom. Okay, so exactly what I know. You see a lot of that right here, a lot of that. But the point is, it's slowly working its way down this curve. You see that? So if we take this, okay, take that off, and let's see. So we'll go from here, okay, and I'll go here, boom. Now we're gonna do that because it's gonna create like a lane, aka a channel, and basically it could be wrong, okay, but you'll see if it breaks through our channel here, then we know you know, then we know that maybe it's gonna break out. I see way more sell orders. If you guys are looking down there at the book, I see way more sell orders. You see how I got that, and that's kind of slanted because I kind of entered this little area right here. Wait, if I can move this out of the way. See, I use this little point right here. I probably shouldn't use that point. Okay, so let's do this. I'll take that away. Bring our magical line back up. Okay, this is coming down. Boom. And then it kind of ranged. The bulls were fighting it, and then the bulls thought they were going to take it away. Didn't happen. Bears pulled it down. Okay, now you'll put a channel like that into effect. Like I said, you see how that moved, how we were saying right here? Look what happened. Okay, look. Right here, the bears ate it up, and the bears are dropping that price back down. All these sell orders came in. Some people down there started selling, and then you can tell other people got scared and they went right behind them. So anyways, the point is you guys got to be aware about where you are entering in on these charts. It could turn around. Okay, look, let's look at one more before I stop this video. We're not going to be able to find a trade today, especially with me explaining this stuff, but let's see if we're going to be able to watch it. I don't know. See how small that green candle is? The buying pressure is just not really there. There's not buying volume. It's just not really there. It was in over here, really nice, and then the bear said no way and pulled it down. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. It acted like it wanted to. The bears came, popped in about 6 sell orders. That's about what? 3, 6, 9. What's that? About 12. What? 16. So it's about 1,600, and then you count up all the rest, just say 17, 18, 19, 20. So a little over $2,000 came in and took out that candle. Look, those bulls came in, these bears went out. So it's a back and forth thing. But what we're trying to see is whether this is gonna break through our little area here that we are partial little line to see. Whether it's going to break through that, I don't think so. Let's see. It's moving. This is an active chart. This is actually the 1 minute. So to see how we were looking at that, I thought I was on that 1 second. Check it out. Oh, it's hard. I'd have to reboot that. It would be a little different, but yeah, a little tiny bit. But look, we're close. We're close. Let's see what's going to happen. I heard something about like people like to juice it. I don't know if it's juicing the chart ups or making it look like, I'm not really too sure, but I don't really know what's up with all these 1 cent charges down there. If you look down, you see, and you see them all the time too. It's always 1 cent. Look, so you can see right here, right, what we were saying. I didn't think it was gonna cross it, and it did not. It touched, boom, and then it went back down, bam. And then you seen about 12 buy orders come in here. 3, 6, 9, 12, don't go again. You know, a little over $2,000-$3,000. It's kind of looking like the same people are coming in and out, in and out, in and out. But yeah, that's what's going on. So make sure you're aware before you guys are hopping in these charts. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, you guys. Next time we are going to probably on the next video we'll get out of these positions on camera, and then we will go straight to the charts and we'll hop in and make a play. I think I got about $8 left, something like that. I need to get some. I'm behind in my Solana. You know, I've been getting beat up in these charts. You guys let me know what you guys think. Have a good day.